One, sir. Mabalin
This is an on-air live interview through the facilities of DGCV Tuguegarao City, direct from Santa Cruz Elementary School, Ballesteros District, in connection with the ongoing search for the best implementer of ecology solid waste material management with Dr. Rebecca Antolin of DepEd leading the evaluators team online.
So, umiikot po kayo, hindi lang Ballesteros ang pinupuntahan po natin.
Hindi po. Actually, there are 30 entries for the division search for the best implementer, both secondary and elementary level, sir.
So, ano po yung mga criteria po na ginagamit po natin dyan sa test, madam, and ano yung mga agency na katuwang po natin sa test?
At the moment, sir, kasama ko po ang representatives from the Department of Labor and Employment, from the PENRO, from the PIO, Penrio, and I represent the Department of Education. We also have the Department of Health, Agriculture, and Tourism, sir.
So, kailan po nagsimula yan at hanggang matatapos po yung evaluation po na ginagawa po ninyo?
It started last Tuesday. Yes po, yesterday, and it will end up on the 2nd of October, sir.
So, meron pong corresponding price na makakamit or any compensation siguro po sa mga winners, madam?
Yes, sir. Pro-proclaim po namin ang top 3, and doon po sa mga hindi po mananalo, meron din pong silang mga certificates of recognition.
Siguro, magbigay lang po tayo na kahit konting mga criteria basis po dyan sa search.
Okay, sir. Marami po. Ang isa sa mga ito, kailangan po yung orderliness, maintenance of school facilities. That includes school facilities, toilets, classroom po. Tinitignan din po namin ang clinic. Maintenance of environment facilities. Ito po yung presence ng MRF or what we call the material recovery facility. Hand washing and toothbrushing facilities din po. And then, practice of solid waste management related activities. And then, nandito rin po yung maintenance of green areas. And then, we also look into the support system, yung mga kung how well the community support the program. Kaya nandito po ang representatives ng PTA at iba pa pong organization, and even the local government unit of Ballesteros.
So, after dyan po sa Santa Cruz, saan po ang susunod na pupuntahan po ng evaluation team?
We go to Claveria National High School, Ballesteros National High School, Alakapan, and then Matukay, particularly Matukay also, sir.
Opo. Hanggang kailan po malalaman yung mga winners at may po-present po yung mga winners, madam?
Hopefully, sir, kung mapapabilis po, we'll have the awarding ceremony this November, sir.
November, opo. So, ito, province-wide search lang po yan.
Province-wide, sir, among schools.
So, meron pang regional search na pwede na kung sino yung mananalo, siya ang sasali sa regional competition.
Ang ganda po sana kung meron din pong regional level, pero at the moment, sir, hanggang provincial level lang po tayo.
Okay. Sige, Dr. Antolin, maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon na binigay niya sa amin dito sa Radyo TV.
Maraming salamat din po at magandang umaga sa ating lahat dyan.